In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email sequence in ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through building a simple, automated sequence from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to choose a trigger, add your emails, space them out with delays, and finally turn the whole automation on. Once you're logged into ActiveCampaign, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Automations. This is where all of your automated workflows live. Think of an automation as the engine that sends your emails in the right order, at the right time, to the right people. At the top of the Automations page, click Create an Automation. You'll see a few different ways to get started, but for full control, choose Start from Scratch. Then click Continue. Starting from scratch is helpful because you'll see every piece you're adding and understand exactly how the sequence is built. Next, ActiveCampaign will ask you to select a trigger. The trigger is what tells the automation when to start. A common option is subscribes to a list. That means whenever someone joins a specific list, this sequence begins automatically. Pick the trigger that makes sense for your use case, adjust any settings it offers, and then click Add Start. You'll now see the starting point of your automation on the canvas. From here, click the plus icon to add your first action. In the menu that pops up, go to Sending Options and choose Send an Email. Then click Create an Email. You'll be prompted to name this email so you can recognize it later in your automation. After that, you can choose a template or start from a blank layout and write your content. When you're done designing the email, save and exit back to the automation view. Below that first email, click the plus icon again. This time, go to Conditions and Workflow and choose Wait. The wait step controls how much time passes before the next email goes out. Select Wait for a specified period of time, set the duration like 1 day or 3 days, and then click Save. This timing is important because it gives your subscribers space between messages, which usually leads to better engagement. To add additional emails to your sequence, repeat that same pattern. Click the plus icon, go to Sending Options, choose Send an Email, create the next email, then add another. Wait step underneath it. Do this as many times as you need for your full sequence. When you've finished building and reviewing everything, look to the top right of the automation screen and switch the status from inactive to active. Once it's active, any contact who meets your trigger conditions will automatically enter the sequence and start receiving your emails in the order and timing you've set.